Hi friends, this is Professor Welingkar here, and here I am to speak to you about value-added activity which we conducted for the distance learning people hybrid course. It's called as learning through movies or movie learning session. Now you may be wondering why we are showing movies for a management class. Well, we say real life and real life are connected, right? Yeah. Okay, audiovisual has an impact on the mind. That's a tick mark, at least.
Trip to a nature reserve in Pennsylvania. It is the highlight of the year. I promise you. Look good, they're here.
This boy is giving us a message. This boy is telling us, the script is telling us, okay, he's got a sense of humor. He says, I know, so what? He has his insecurity sometimes when people are bullying him, but he's beating him. He's conquering them through his inner strength and self-esteem. Your self-esteem is not on the dress you wear. How many of you agree that real, R-E-E, real is this real life indicates